Another feature of the Vie Scope is the ability to deal with contaminated airways. What we have here is a salad mannequin that was developed by DuCanto. Salad meaning suction, assisted laryngoscopy and decontamination. And our Vie Scope is a salad beater. If we were to fill this mannequin's mouth all the way up, and you can see here, it's nearly overflowing. And if you were to have blood, it just happens to be clear, and you put your laryngoscope in, video or the direct laryngoscope, it'll be blacked out. But if we turn our suction on, and you'll be able to hear us okay. Keeping it in there, suctioning this thick goo. And with suction-assisted laryngoscopy, you pipe the suction into the esophageal inlet, into the hypopharyngeal system. And if I look down here, I can see the vocal cords. I still have a light, I have no blackout, and I can easily pass my endotracheal tube over it. Do I know that for sure? Well, I can test it by looking down again. And that's this particular scenario, something that's very common in CPR, trauma,